Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Siri not working on iPhone after updates. So how to fix this problem? So I will request my all friends. First of all, you have subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So let's get start the video. Do not waste any time. So first of all, you have Siri is not working. First solution, you have restart your iPhone. So volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button. When you see appears apple logo on your screen, then 5 to 10 seconds wait, and then your iPhone is restart, and then your problem will be fixed. If their first solution is not working, their second solution, you have uh, Siri disk Siri app enable from allowed app. Then you have open the setting, and then you have click on screen time. Then you have click on content and privacy restriction. Then you have click on allowed app. Then you have check the Siri is enable, and then other solution, you have low power mode is disabled. So again open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on low power mode is disabled. I have already disabled, and then you have turn off low power mode. And then other solution, you have turn off Bluetooth with another devices connected airports or other things. You have turn off your Bluetooth on your iPhone. Then other solution, you have uh, open again setting, and then you have click on accessibility, and then you have click on home button, and then click on, then you have uh, then select you have Siri, and then fix your problem. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.